Welcome to another DelftStack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to save terminal output to a file in Linux. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, this guide will help you to capture command outputs efficiently. Let's say we want to look at all the installed packages on our system. To do this, we are going to type the following command. Now, if I want to save the output, which is the list of installed packages, to a file, I will just redirect the output using the command like this. Use the file name of your own. You will see a file generated and saved in the location where your command line is currently open. If we open the file, we will see the same list of installed packages that we saw in the terminal. You have explored how to save and record terminal outputs in Linux. Note that using greater than symbol will overwrite existing files without warnings. Always double-check the file name before redirecting output. Explore our other tutorials on Linux commands and scripting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos from DelftStack.